This recipe was inspired by my husband. He made this recipe a week ago and I wanted to recreate it and share it here on my channel. Ground beef sandwiches with pepper, cheese, and tomato sauce. This sandwich is incredibly delicious. Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button. Now let's begin. For this recipe, you'll need ground beef, serrano pepper, or any pepper of your choice, Spicy Montreal Spice, tomato sauce, garlic, and lots of cheese. Bread buns and bacon. I like to bake my bacon at 400 degrees for about 10 minutes. If you like this recipe, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button. Into the food processor, add beef, pepper, tomato sauce, garlic, and spices. Now pulse until everything's combined. If you want, instead of pulsing all the ingredients in the food processor, you can just blend the serrano pepper with tomato paste, garlic, and spices together and then mix it into the meat. Next, we're gonna add all this mixture into the skillet. We're gonna saute the meat for about 7 to 10 minutes or until the meat is cooked through. If you like, you can totally remove the extra grease. Next, we're gonna add cheese and stir that in and turn off the heat. If you like this recipe, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button. Add the meat mixture onto the buns and serve it with bacon and more cheese. This recipe is so quick and so delicious. Instead of using bread, you can totally make it with pasta, or for breakfast, you can totally saute it with eggs. It tastes incredibly delicious either way. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you did, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button. Don't forget to check out my other recipes, the taco salad bowls and the roasted salmon with broccoli one-pan sheet dinner. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you later. Bye!